Okay, question number 3 is saying figure 1 shows a sketch of the part of the curve C1 with the equation y is equal to 4 cos x. Okay, first of all, if you have for y is equal to cos of x, the maximum value, because these are the maximum value, this one is the maximum value, these are the minimum values. So, for y is equal to cos of x, the maximum value will be +1 and the minimum value will be -1. But if, for example, if you have y is equal to f of x and you say y is equal to a f of x, then what happened? The coordinate, if the coordinate is x, y, it's changed to, it will become x, a, y. That will be the transformation for this one. So right now, this actually y is equal to 4 cos x is a transformation of y is equal to cos x. So if you are having y is equal to 4 cos x, now in this case, for example, if I have for y is equal to cos of x, then what this point should be, this point will be 0, 1. And this one will be obviously 90 degree. This is because this is in this transformation when you multiply a outside the function, so there will be no change in the x coordinate, only y coordinate is changing. So originally I'm talking about if it is for y is equal to cos of x. Okay, if it is for y is equal to cos of x, then this coordinate will be 0, 1. This one will be, this is 90, this one will be 180, this one will be 270, this one will be 360, this one will be 360 plus 90 more 450. This is going to be 450 degree, and this one, and again if you will take for this one, but this is going to be plus 90 more, that is 540. It means here you have 540, and then this one will be 90 more 630. If my calculations are correct, let me recheck all these. 90, then plus 90 more 180, plus 90 more 270, plus 90 more 360, plus 90 more 450, plus 90 more 540, plus 90 more 630. Okay, so this value is 630. Coming to this side, this one will be minus 90, this will be minus 90, and this will be minus 180, and this will be minus 270. Okay, so this is if you have y is equal to cos of x. So this coordinate, obviously it means this coordinate in that case will be 360, 1, and this coordinate will be 180 minus 1. This coordinate then will be 450. No, this one q will be 450, 0. Okay, so accordingly, but right now this 4 is multiplied with that one. If 4 is multiplied with that one, so then what will happen? In that case, obviously the y coordinate will change. Then what will happen? For example, this one 0, 1. 0, 1 will change to 0, 4. It means this one is 4. Similarly, this one will also be minus 4. Yes, if this is minus 4, then what this coordinate will be? This coordinate will be 180 minus 4. What this coordinate will be? This coordinate will be 450, 0. And this coordinate will be 540 minus 4. This coordinate will be minus 180 minus 4. So the question is saying for this one, because I explained you completely how actually this 0, 1 is changing to 0, 4. Originally, you should know the coordinate of this one and the values for y is equal to cos of x. So question is saying state the coordinate of the point P. So for point P, obviously we write here minus 180 minus 4. And the coordinate of Q also we wrote here. So coordinate of Q are 450, 0. These are the coordinate of P and Q. Now the curve C2 has the equation y is equal to 4 cos x plus k. Okay, this is equation for 4 cos x. For 4 cos x, now we know the coordinates, where k is a constant. The curve C2 has a minimum value of -1. Now curve C2 has a minimum value of -1, and then plus k is added, of some value is added in that one. So the point R is the maximum point on C2 with the smallest positive x coordinates. First of all, if you look here, where the point R will be, you have to determine where the point R will be. Two conditions are given. Condition number, first of all, it is given to you that y is equal to 4 cos x plus k. Mean you add something in this equation. So the minimum value, which is -4, now has become -1. Mean it shifted from -4 to -1. Okay, it shifted from -4 to -1 somewhere here. So obviously, then what will happen in that case? It will be just, the equation will be like this one. Wait a second, let me redraw the curve so you will understand. If this is a curve, okay, if you shift the curve, for example, no, so many values are there. Yeah. Okay. For example, if you are moving it up, before right now it is -4. The minimum is -4. Now you are moving it up. Yes. If you are moving it up, so from -4 now it has become like that. Let's say now this is the -1 value. This is -1. This is -1. So how many step it went up? From -4 it went to -1, so it went 3 step up. When 3 step up, so if you have y is equal to a f of x and you add a k value in that one, so what will happen in that case? In that case, if you have the coordinate x, y, first it is a f of x. A f of x will change x, y into x, a, y. Then when you added k in that one, so in that case, what will happen? This now, this is x, a, y is going to change to x and then y plus k. So that k will be added in that. So how much you went up? 3 step you went up. It means plus 3 will add here. So it means the value of k is actually plus 3. So this equation actually will be now y is equal to 4 cos of x plus 3. Because if here is plus 3, then the minimum value can be -1. Suppose if the minimum value was given -2, then it means you went up 2 steps. If minimum value is -3, then you went up 3 steps and there is no change in x. Okay. All right. We determine first the value of k. Now the value of k has been determined. So after that, what we have to do now, right now we have to guess r. About r, it is said that r is the maximum point on C2 with smallest positive x coordinates. Now where are the maximum points on C2? On positive side, maximum point. We are having this. This is the maximum point. Yes, this is the maximum point with the smallest positive value of x. So what is that one? Because you can see obviously at 180 it is negative. So where at 360? At 360 it is. So if you write the coordinate r, this is actually r now. So r in that case is going to be, if I write here r, so what r will be? 360. And obviously now when it went up, when it went 3 step up, this was 4. From 4 it will also move 3 step up. So now what this will be? 7. Because when you move the curve 3 step up, so it will be 7. So it means that will be 7. So the coordinate of r will be 367.